I applied to Techstars because of its global reach, its amazing network, and its ability to accelerate a company is unmatched. It's unparalleled.
We understand the power of its network, right? It's not just about the access to capital, it's the access to the people.
I applied to Techstars because Techstars is known for putting founders first.
We knew that they could help us scale our business and expand our network for success.
I think around 97% of venture capital goes to white men specifically. And so being a black man and a black woman, having access to capital is incredibly difficult for Gabby. She gets less than 0.2%.
What we want to do is we want to elevate it and prepare myself as a founder to grow the company to the next stage. And that's the one thing that Techstars does better than almost anyone.
This was like a very pivotal time for our company, and having this opportunity was an important, I think, stepping stone for the company in the next step that we want to take in terms of growth and strategy.
The quality of the Techstars team in Detroit, it's really just amazing. Both in class and outside the class, I'm always learning.
Techstars provides an amazing ecosystem, not only of other entrepreneurs and founders, but of potential investors and mentors that can help us to launch and scale effectively much faster than we would be able to do all by ourselves.
It forced me to look inside and really think about what I thought I wanted to do, but then also what I thought I needed help with.
It's creating confidence of the company and the kind of founder you can be to take the company to the next level.
Having the opportunity was really exciting for me, being up on stage, talking about the company, and also sharing the momentum.
This stuff is hard, and it just is nice to hear and see other people who are going through the same things. I got the same problems that you have.
The highlight has been getting to know the rest of the founders and the companies and being a resource to one another, just to be able to bounce off ideas. There's not a lot of people that look like us in the space that we have an opportunity to connect with on a regular basis.
I was just amazed and grateful and humbled.
Everybody is also extremely extraordinary in their own right. Connecting with everybody has just been incredible. Everybody's amazing in what they do.
Everything I expected to get out of the program, I think so far the program has surpassed.
The best thing about this program is being given or being able to join the dots between where you are now and where you want to be.
When we graduate from Techstars, our company will be positioned to close the opportunity gap.
My company will be positioned to literally take over the world.
It's only been a couple weeks, but we've already got conversations going on with multiple VCs that have reached out directly.
The experience is really about how you make it and how you perceive it and how you kind of adapt to everything that's happening.
Nothing prepares you for Techstars.